What's up, coders? Welcome to this Python 3 video on the argparse module. Now, what this module is useful for is to pass in command line arguments to our script or program, and based off of those arguments, then we can make certain decisions within our code. So in this example, what we're going to do is to pass in a file name as an argument, and then we're going to take that file name, read that file, and then print out its contents to the command line. So let's get going. First off, we're going to say from argparse import argument parser, like that. And then we're going to say that parser is equal to argument parser, so we need to make that initialization. And then what we're going to do is add an argument. So this is an argument that we're going to pass in. In this case, we're going to call it file name. And then we're going to provide a help saying pass in a file name to read and print out, like that. And then finally we need to say that actually args is equal to parser dot parse args, like that, so that we actually pass in or parse the arguments that have been passed in. Alright, so that's pretty much the gist of it. And now, in order for us to read the file, we're going to do a try except block. And within here, we're going to say with open. And we're going to actually say args is file name, because that's the name that we gave it up here. So this is via args, this is how we would access the file name that's been passed in. And then we're going to say that we want to read this file and open it as f. And then for line in file, we're going to print line, like that. And then finally, we're going to accept any exceptions as e and print out e if needed. So we're going to say that, and we're going to then run it. argtutorial.py, and then I've prepared a file here called filename underscore a.txt. Now that this file has multiple lines in it, and then when we run it, we actually get the results of each line within that file, like that. So I hope this has been a useful tutorial for you. Have a play with the argument parser itself and the argparse library as a whole to really just kind of get your hands dirty and try out different things. Have a look at the Python documentation for more info, and I will see you in the next video.